Namaskara everyone. So today I will be showing you all exclusive mushroom satin Banarsis, and we have a range of 8 to 9 saris, and I'll show you, and I'll start with the first one which I have worn now. Hello from Bangalore, Firdaus Fatima. Sheila ma'am watching from Belgaum. Hi Anu ma'am. Hi Tivyaj. Oh, hi Tadiyur. Hi, watching from New York. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. So I'll start with my live now. So this is the sari which I am wearing. I'll start with that. It's a beautiful black and gold and silver zari work in diagonal stripes. So this is the overall look of the sari, and this is how it looks. I'll show you the border in close up. So this is how the border is in beautiful zari. These are all zari weaving, and this is how the pallu is. Pallu I'll show you in close up. This is a elegant, a beautiful, unique piece. If you are looking for something very different, do go for this. This will surely steal eyes when you're wearing this. So this is our sari number 1. Hello, I'll just see the comments if I missed any. Hello Damini ma'am, hello Pratyusha, hello from Bangalore. Hello everyone. So I'll continue my live. So this is our sari number 1. Hello Dimple ma'am. So I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece is in a beautiful black. It's a monochromatic piece. So this is how the blouse piece looks. It has a border. This is the zari weaving in the border, and this is how it looks. So this is our sari number 1. Shweta Ashok ma'am, for the price, if you can WhatsApp us or DM us with a screenshot of the sari, we will let you know the price of the sari. So these are all pure mushroom satin Banarsis. So you can see the fall of the sari. These are super light, very comfortable. The pleats sit really well. I am happy personally wearing this sari. So I'll show you sari number 2, which is the same one which I am wearing in a different color. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful scarlet red, a very traditional one, but with modern vibes, with the design in it. These are horizontal zari weaving. This is how the border looks. I'll show you in close up. So this is how it looks. You have golden work, golden zari weaving and silver stripes. So you have golden and silver alternatively. So this is how it looks in close up. I'll show you the pallu of the sari. This is how the pallu is. It has a minimal pallu, and the sari for sure is a stunning piece. So this is how the overall look is. I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari. So this is the blouse piece of the sari with the border. If there are any questions, please comment on the live so that we can answer. I'll show you the drape of the sari, the one I'm wearing, so that you have a clearer picture. So this is how the drape is. It falls so well. It's a beautiful one. You can see the drape of the sari. This is how it looks. And this is how the drape is. So this is our sari number 2. I'll move on to my next piece. This is a beautiful purple. This is our sari number 3. This is the overall look of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari. I'll show you the pallu in close up. This is how the pallu is, and you see very interesting motifs. So this is how the motif is with orange meenakari, and these all are in light gold, the motifs and the zari. Ashu ma'am, you can WhatsApp us with a screenshot of the sari. We will be happy to send the price of the sari. You can DM us or WhatsApp us in the given number so that we can help you with the price. So this is our sari number 3. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful purple, and this is how the overall look is. I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece of the sari looks like this. It's the exact shade which you can see in our live. So this is our sari number 3. Please WhatsApp us or DM us with the screenshot of the sari so that you can book. Bookings are already on. These are exclusive fresh arrivals. So we thought of showing you mushroom satin, and many people had requested for mushroom satin as well. So we thought of showing these saris in our live today. All are single exclusive, please. So please book your one now. This is our sari number 4. The same design like the previous one which I showed, but it's in a neon green. This is how it is. It looks ethereal with the whole design, and it's so simple yet so gorgeous. You see the border of the sari, and this has the meenakari is in pink. So this is how it looks. These are all in zari weaving. The whole border is in zari weaving, and this is how the pallu is. This is in a beautiful neon green, a very stylish and smart piece. So this is how it looks. Yeah, am I audible now? Please let me know if I am audible. Nisha, am I audible? Thank you. Thank you so much. There might be a technical glitch, so I'll continue my live now. Thank you. Thank you, Sindhu ma'am. Thank you, Suvasini ma'am. So I'll continue my live. So I'll start. Thank you. Thank you, Sheila ma'am. So I'll start with my sari number 5. It's in a beautiful bottle green. This is how the overall look is. This is the pallu. This has a different motif in that. I'll show you the motif. Thank you, Shweta Ashok ma'am. So this is how the motif is. It has an orangish red meenakari, and this is how the zari weaving goes. This is the pallu of the sari. These are all exclusive pieces, just arrived, and we thought of showing you the saris. So do grab your favorite one. This is our sari number 5. Thank you, Sahana ma'am. So I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is how the blouse piece looks. This is how the blouse piece looks. This is also in a monochrome, same color blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, and this is the sari. I'll show you the drape of the sari also, just to give you an overall look of the sari. So this is our overall look of the sari. So this is our sari number 5. We show you our sari number 6. Hope you're liking our collection. Please comment us, like comment here in the section, comment section, so that we know that you're liking our collection. And do let us know what you want to watch next in our next live. I'll show you now sari number 6. So sari number 6 is all our favorite red. It's a bright orangish red, the exact color which you can see. So this is how it is, and this is the border of the sari. I'll show you the motif of the sari. These are the zari motifs in between. You have that throughout, and the overall look of the sari is this way. This is a beautiful piece of very bright color, makes you look gorgeous in anything you wear with this. So yes, it's a very traditional piece. I understand, Muralidhar sir, but because we have a policy of not sharing the price, we have a mixed bag of different prices, so we will not be able to share the price of the sari. You can always DM us or WhatsApp us with the screenshot. It takes a minute and we will immediately let you know the price of the sari. We'll be sorry, there was a network issue. Am I audible and visible? Please let me know. Yes, okay. Thank you, Veda. Thank you. Thank you, Tadiyur ma'am. So this is our sari number 6. This is how it looks overall. I'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. This color is so pretty, it's to fall in love for. This is the blouse and this is how it looks. So this is our sari number 6. I'll show you the drape of the sari also to give you an overall picture of the sari. So this is how the sari is, and this is the drape of the sari. So this is our sari number 6. I'll show you sari number 7. We have 2 more to go. I'll show you sari number 7 in a beautiful blue. So now we start with our plain series. The saris are plain pure mushroom satins and the design is only on the border and the pallu. These are so simple yet so elegant. So this is our sari number 7. This is the pallu. I'll show you the pallu. This is how the pallu looks. And if you see the body, you have self weaves in it. So you can see the zigzag motifs all around. I'll just show, yeah. So now you can understand the self weaves in the sari. And this is the border of the sari. The color is in pure royal blue and pure mushroom satin, these all are. So you can see how it looks. It's so glamorous and gorgeous, though a very simple piece. So we show you this is the blouse piece of the sari. So the blouse piece goes in brocade. This is how, these are all zari weaving in zigzag, if you can see. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. You can also wear it with a contrast blouse or a brocade blouse. That will look beautiful with this if you want to make it even more gorgeous. So this is our sari number 7. I'll show you sari number 8. If there are any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section so that we can help you all. And any of the saris you like, please send us a screenshot in WhatsApp or DM so that we can help you to place an order. Thank you everyone for joining. Hope you are liking the collections. These are all our fresh arrival pieces. I'll show you now sari number 8 in a beautiful purple. So this is how the sari looks. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is how the body is. Ma'am, these are not animal motifs. You can WhatsApp us for animal motif saris. We will help you out. Ma'am, these are available on Instagram. So you can contact in the Insta number and we'll help you how to purchase the saris. So this is sari number 8 in purple. It's the same zigzag motifs if you see the border. And you have this motif and the self weaving all over in zigzag. This is the pallu of the sari. We show you the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari in zigzag zari motif. So this is our sari number 8. This is the overall look. I'll show the drape of the sari so that you get to know how it looks. These are very lightweight saris. Yes, we do. Vanita ma'am, we do have one in red color. We'll show you after this. So yes, this is the sari number 8. So this is how it looks. Now we'll show you sari number 9, which is in a beautiful red. Vanita ma'am, you can see this. So I'll show you sari number 8. This is in a beautiful red. This is the last sari of our life today. This is our sari number 9 and this is our last sari of our life. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu of the sari and and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Vanita ma'am, you can check it out, like you wanted a red color in this, so I'll show you the blouse piece in close up. This is how the blouse piece looks in zari weaving and this is how the overall look is. I'll show you the border in close up. These are pure mushroom satin silk ma'am. These are mushroom silk Banarsis. Rupa ma'am. Minal ma'am, I answered your question I guess. So this is pure mushroom silk Banarsis and these are free flowing, like very easy to drape, very comfortable and you can see the sheen of the sari. So yes, these are pure mushroom satin. So this is the pallu of the sari, border of the sari and I'll show you this is how it goes in zigzag in V design. It's a self weave in the body and this is the pallu of the sari. So this is our last piece, sari number 9. I'll show you the drape of the sari. So this is how the drape is. So this is how it looks and sorry for the ignorance. This is Mashru, M-A-S-H-R-U. These are Mashru satin silks. These are the modern ones in Banarsi. Can go for these. So these are the latest ones. So this is our sari number 9. So we end our live today with the last sari which was in red. Do let us know whichever we can help you place an order. And any more questions, I will wait. I hope I'm audible. There is some technical glitch and network issues. Am I audible? Please let me know. Thank you for joining everyone. It was a delight having all of you all here. So do let us know how you liked our collection. And there is any questions or queries about our saris, or if you want to place an order, please share a screenshot of the sari in our WhatsApp or DM so that we can help you place an order. Bookings are on already. Ma'am, in Jyoti Acharya ma'am, in cow pattern, just give me 2 minutes. I'll try to show you the cow pattern sari. I'll just see how many colors I have in that and I'll just show you. Just give me 2 minutes to show the cow pattern ones. So by the time I get the cow pattern saris, can we know where you all are watching from and can we make this live a little more interactive? We didn't have this in our live today, but because ma'am you requested, we will like to help you out and show you that. Yes, Jyoti Acharya ma'am, just 2 minutes. I'll just get the sari and show you the cow pattern one. A lot of people have joined today. Thank you. Ashburn, you said. Malati ma'am, thank you for watching from US. Jyoti Acharya ma'am from Qatar. It's so good to know where you all are watching from so that it helps us to know where we are reaching. And please do share our live, like and follow our page. The more you share our live, people get to know our collection and it So we have a, this is in, no, this is Pune silk. So we have one in cow pattern. This is in Pune silk. So this is how it looks. This is in red. Jyoti Acharya ma'am, we are showing this for you and anyone who wants to see this. This is the pallu of the sari and we'll show you the cow pattern. So this is how it looks. Pichwai, yes, it's Pichwai, correct. Cow pattern means Pichwai. So ma'am, this is the motif of the sari in a twin cow. And this is how the border, these are also super light pieces. This is the pallu. I'll show you the pallu in close up. And you have zari weaving here. So you can see the zari weaving in small motifs all around, and you have this cow pattern all over in the border. So this is how it looks. So this is our Pichwai bordered sari in Pune silk. We'll show you the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece comes in brocade. So this is how, these are all zari weaving. So this is how the blouse piece looks. So this is how it is. So this is our Pichwai sari. You have, ma'am, our we had a Varma Lakshmi discount which is just over. So you can WhatsApp us or DM us with the picture of the sari and we can connect on WhatsApp. As of now, there are no discounts because our Varma Lakshmi sale we had up to 40% which just got over. You can also see our previous lives. So we had nice saris on discount that time. So yes, please WhatsApp us, Kala Sudhir ma'am, with the picture of the sari, the screenshot, so that we can help you out. Malati ma'am, you can WhatsApp us with a screenshot if you have taken. Please take the screenshot of the sari. If you want to place an order or not, but at least you have a screenshot with you so that you can share it with us today or in future and we help you to place an order. So Malati ma'am, if you send us a screenshot of the sari, DM us or WhatsApp us, we'll be happy to help you with the price of the sari and placing an order. So I end my live today with all the saris I have shown. Do let us know how was our collection. Do WhatsApp us with the screenshot of the sari or DM us with that so that we can help you with the prices and help you to place an order. It was nice having you all. Thank you. See you all next week.